What's in the box, you say? I'll show you.
Good production.
Hey, son.
Jamis! Shelly Ojo!
It's taking a while. Alright. Suck in here. And I basically have new radiator fans. They look like these guys. Now being installed. And the reason I got this was, well, because the old fans that I had wasn't working, and you guys can see that in the radiator install video that I did a while ago. I tossed some shits out, and the car's been attempting to overheat, ever since then. So realized that I needed these fans so that when it's, you know, sitting, it can probably cool up. So now it's time to throw this installation in the process. Now let's get these little brackets on here. Those are the mounting things. Now before I put it in there, I'm going to flatten these connections so they, which is where it's supposed to go. It's not going to fit if it's open like this. So what I do is take up pliers and squeeze it down a little bit. Just a little. So it can be flat. That's how I plan to do this one as well. Take pliers. Flat. Now that I've connected them, I'm going to give it a test to make sure it actually is connected. So here now, let's just keep an eye on the fan from right there. Right? Turn on the car. Right? Oh, it starts to move. You see it? It started to move. Alright. Now what I have to do is figure out what directions we can pretty much set it up. Now that we see it's working, I'm just going to mount these bitches in. Just to show y'all. As you guys can see, it's fully functional. All I have to do now is just figure out the damn polarity of it and see if it's actually coming this way. That's basically all you have to do just to install your radiator fans. I didn't mount in the screws into these yet, but I'm just basically showing you guys what I need to do. The rest is basically, you know, logic. So, yeah. Working fans. See you guys next time. Oh yeah, don't forget, stay original. Yeah.